All right, this is not the practice that I said I was going to do, but I think this is going to be a better review for the quiz. So we are choosing between substitution and elimination. I'm going to work just 2 of these on the video and maybe set up a couple more. The rest for you to do, you're going to have about half the class, and then you'll take the quiz. All right, so this first one, we could do substitution if we wanted to. We could solve this for x, but I'm going to go ahead and do it with elimination. So I'm going to choose to handle my x's. Let me zoom this out a little bit so we have a little more room. Okay, so I'm going to do this number here, not with the negative, this number here. Multiply out both my equations. So negative 15x plus 3y equals negative 9. 15x minus 40y equals 120. So now I can eliminate, and I'm left with negative 37y equals 111. Divide both sides by negative 37. That's kind of annoying, but that's okay. Y equals 3. Are we done? No. We've got to plug it back in. Which one looks easier? I think the top one looks easier, even though there's a few negatives. Negative 5x plus, I'm just going to go ahead and write it down. And then I'm going to take my y, and I'm going to put it in here. So negative 5x plus 3 equals negative 3. And then solve this equation. Oh, I did something wrong. Oh, negative 3. I was right to begin with. I thought this was supposed to be negative. Negative 3. I apologize. So this is plus 3 equals 0. I hope you caught that as I was doing it. I'm not going to stop the video though. I'm going to go ahead and go on. All right, so this one's already solved for y, so we're going to use substitution. So that's y. We're going to put it where the y is. 5x minus 4 times negative 3x plus 5. Distribute. Combine like terms. All my x's are on one side, get all my 1's on the other side. Plug it back in here. So y equals negative 3. I'm going to go ahead and write it again. I'm going to take my x, I'm going to put it in there. Y equals negative 3. Oh, and I don't think I did this on my other one, but please write it as an ordered pair and box your answer. Yeah, I didn't. 0, negative 3, and box your answer. All right, for the rest of them, I'm not going to solve them out. I'm just going to talk about how to set them up. So this is substitution. Take your y and put it where the y is. You could solve this for y and use substitution. I'm going to use elimination. If you didn't find that last one on your sheet, it's because it's not. All right, that's why I paused. All right, so this one is on our sheet. Good. So I'm going to use elimination. These are the same. So I'm just going to multiply one of the equations by negative 1. So we get 7x plus 2y equals 13. Those now eliminate. 8x equals 24. Solve that, plug it back into one of the equations. I don't know what happened that I did these out of order, but this one is substitution. So we're just going to plug that in where the y is, solve, and then plug it back in again. Okay, I'm not going to redo that. I'm sorry it got kind of out of order, but I worked out a couple and talked about how to set up all of them. Go ahead and practice through, make sure you can do this, and then take this quiz and do well on it, please. Thank you.